Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Leche Flan in the oven. First, let's create that beautiful caramel base. You'll need about 1 cup of granulated sugar. Melt it gently in a pan over medium heat, swirling until it reaches a lovely amber hue. Then, carefully pour this hot caramel into your anura or baking dish, ensuring the bottom is evenly coated. This step sets the stage for a perfectly sweet and smooth flan. Next, we'll prepare the creamy custard mixture. You'll need 10 egg yolks, carefully separate them from the whites. In a bowl, combine these yolks with 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and 1 can of evaporated milk. For an extra touch of flavor, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gently whisk everything together until it's just combined, being careful not to incorporate too much air, which can create bubbles in your finished flan. Now it's time to bake our flan to perfection. First, strain your custard mixture through a fine mesh sieve directly into the caramel-lined anura. This ensures a super smooth texture. Cover the anura tightly with aluminum foil. Then, place this covered dish into a larger baking pan, creating a water bath with about 1 inch of hot water. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 75 minutes. Once baked, carefully remove your Leche Flan from the oven. Let it cool completely at room temperature before transferring it to the refrigerator. Chilling it for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight, allows it to set beautifully. When ready to serve, gently run a thin knife around the edges of the anura. Then, confidently invert the flan onto your chosen serving plate. Enjoy your wonderfully smooth and sweet homemade Leche Flan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.